So Debbie's gonna be in this window as a model right now. She's just, hold on. Which one is Debbie? Is this allowed? You have stuff on your face. You have your stuff on your face. No. Nope, you missed it. It's still there. You're not supposed. This is totally. Just get out of there. Go. You're gonna get in trouble for being that. Go. You know what? I love these things. You know why? Because they make your skin jiggle. Loud, really loud. Really loud. Like lay down, lay down. How did you get down there? Oh my god, I really don't know. Where did he go? Mark, what are you doing?
Are you looking for animals?
Wait, no, our friend is down there.
Okay.
Our friend is down there. Mark? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Is it fun?
No, I don't know what he's doing. Stop dancing. What the heck? Get out. How did you even get down there?
That I lost my earrings. If he will find.
Yeah.
If he will find my earrings, I will appreciate you.
Yeah. Did they fall down the hole?
Yeah.
Mark, where'd he go?
It's a gold. It's a white gold and yellow gold. It's
Mark.
Hangling.
Mark, do you see any earrings down there? Where are you? Mark. Hello? Did he go to the other one? I don't know. Do they connect? I don't know. You want to check? Yeah.
Okay, if you will find him, I'm working in McCormick Street.
Okay.
If you will find.
Yeah. We'll tell you. I don't know how he's even gonna get out.
Down there too, and somehow he can find it down there.
Yeah, right. Mark? What? How did he even do this?
Maybe he went down there.
You will find the rock there.
Yeah, I know. You could get a lot of money down there, wherever you are.
Mark,
Mark?
this isn't funny.
Mark, Nathan, get out of there.
Do the two connect or something? Because he could have gone at the other one.
Mark! What the heck? He's freaking me out right now.
He was answering like 5 minutes ago.
I don't think you can see the other side, so we're recording this girl who is popping a pimple.
Yeah, she's the lifeguard person, and she wouldn't let us outside because she had to pop zits.
I guess she doesn't realize it. Is it a reflection? Do you not see in there?
I don't know, but she really needs to stop.